Absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends, with another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. What is cracking, everybody? Shoot, dude. I hope you guys are straight rocking that world champions and always transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, I share all kinds of insights when it comes to personal development. We talk about all categories of personal development, including universal laws of attraction, dude, and quantum physics, which is science. And so I do a lot of free energy psychology information like this, and I share with people how they can harness their psychology, they can harness the invisible energy field that's all around them to create the type of reality that they want to create, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so if that sounds good to you, my friends, then stick around, dude, because today I'd like to share with you how to master your energy using neuroplasticity. If you want to learn about mastering your energy field, mastering your own personal energy, all this has to do with what science calls neuroplasticity. Okay, this is stuff that I've learned not only online, but I've read tons of articles, I've read tons of information, tons of web pages on this subject when it comes to, you know, our psychology, neuroplasticity and energy, baby. Yeah, buddy. So here's the thing, dude. Like, for instance, your psychology, it operates through energy, okay? And so the average person, even though it seems obvious, it seems like, okay, big deal, whatever. If you're somebody who's looking to transform who they are, if you're looking to master your energy field, master your own psychology, become a deliberate creator of the type of reality you want, then it's vitally important that you learn how to master your energy, okay? And the way you master your energy is through the use of neuroplasticity, dude. This is what I've learned, okay? And so what does neuroplasticity actually mean? And I'm going to share with you what I've learned. So neuroplasticity has to do with the neural pathway of psychology that us humans, we create, and most people, they don't even know that. And so what do I mean we create? When we think upon a thought over and over and over again, you have to understand what's going on. You're actually hardwiring together new brain cells, okay? That's neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is when you make a neuro connection with another thought, another belief, another idea, right? It's when you have those light bulb moments go off and you're like, dude, that was freaking amazing. I just learned something I never knew before. Right? So that's what you're doing. You're activating brain cells, but it goes even deeper because you can stay in a process of learning a bunch of information and you're creating all these this neural network of information, but when it becomes really hardwired in a certain direction of information, you actually start to manifest that reality for yourself. Yeah, buddy, it's freaking powerful, dude, because doctors can split your brain open and you can see the branches of the neural pathways that your mind has been thinking on. And those neural pathways, it's constantly getting impulsed with energy, okay? Impulsed with energy. Your psychology operates using energy dynamics. This should blow your mind. Because if you want to build more confidence, guess what? You got to understand the complete category of confidence and what's behind the doorway of confidence, right? You can't just say, oh, I'm confident, I want to build confidence. It goes much deeper than that, dude. This goes how reality works. See? And so everything's energy. See, we're always operating with energy. See, I can't move my body right now. I can't deliver this information to you without energy leaving me. And so we're transmitters and receivers. We're generators of the reality that we create. That should blow your mind. We're generators of the reality we create. That means we generate the energy, we generate the power, we generate the psychology, we generate the intelligence, we generate the information, we generate the awareness and the perception that we have of who we are and what we can create in our life based upon the energy that we work with. See, when you read a book, your eyes are literally picking energy up off the pages, and your psychology is the energy in a book. There's energy in a book. Understand this. There is psychological communication, energetics in a book. And when you open a book and you read a book, you are picking up energy into your neural pathways, into your neural network. And you take on the dimension of the energy in that book. That should blow your mind. Yeah, buddy. But here, let's take it to a different dimension, right? You're watching this video right now, right? You're listening to a podcast over there, right? You're whatever, okay? You're consuming some type of information, right? What you're doing is you're taking on the energy of this neurology, this neural network of energy. And then you perceive it on your end. Your mind takes on that dimension of reality. That should blow your mind. Yeah, buddy, baby. Because guess what? This is what books are for. This is what videos are for. This is what podcasting is for. You know what most people in general do? They're not focused on transforming their psychology. It takes too much energy. It takes too much time. But you got to understand something. When you concentrate energy, you concentrate the power of that reality. That should blow your mind. Boom! Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, dude. What do you want to do? You want to learn how to harness? You want to learn how to master your own energy neurology? Creating neuroplasticity? See that your mind can expand into new dimensions of reality. This is why it's powerful, because it's kind of like, so what a lot of people do, and this is kind of why it sucks, because most people's awareness is so low that they don't even know that this is what's going on. They're actually building the reality that they're building. And if they went through a jacked up childhood, they went through a hard life, they went through a bunch of negativity, they never figured it out, they got older and older and older, guess what, dude? You understand that they've built a neural network, a cluster of trees of thoughts and beliefs inside of their head? And so they live life within that branch inside of their head that they've created, not even knowing that they could completely change their reality and create a new neural pathway of energy. Psychology, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And here's what's crazy. So, with neuroplasticity, you can basically build a new branch, a new network of ideas, right? When a person becomes real motivated or passionate or about a certain project that they're working on, they start to literally build that neural pathway in their mind. Okay? And then the old pathway that they've built, it starts to kind of fall apart. It starts to crumble away. It starts to kind of die, so to speak. Because now you're not paying attention to this neural network inside your brain. You're paying attention to this other neural network inside your brain that you're creating, right? Yeah, buddy, dude. This is the way it goes, my friends. And so, what do you want to create? What do you want to master? See, when you start to master your energy, when you start to master your mindset, your psychology, you start to create a new way of thinking, a new way of believing, a new way of behaving, a new pattern of ideas that you can live on. And that's freaking amazing, because That's the neuroplasticity network in your brain that you can work with. Anytime you start to think upon a trajectory, a certain direction, and you're real focused on it, your brain literally starts to hardwire together the network of the neurons that it takes to build that reality. You see, before a building is constructed, the person thinking that thought the architect, they had to think in their mind using mathematics and then create a blueprint on a computer screen, a 3D blueprint to architect it out, all the moving parts. And then it's blueprinted out, right? And then once it's blueprinted out, it manifests out into reality, right? Next thing you know, they've created the architect, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. This goes for everything, okay? This goes for cars, this goes for technology, this goes for your house, this goes for the clothes you wear. Everything has to do with this process that I'm sharing with you right now. It's an energy field that we work with. See, we create everything in reality with energy. Freaking unlock. We create everything in reality using energy. That should blow your mind. Because what kind of reality do you want to create? You want to learn how to master your energy field using neuroplasticity? You want to learn how to master your confidence? You want to build enthusiasm? You want to build positivity? You want to build charisma, dude? Yeah, buddy, baby. What do you want to do? What do you want to create? See, these are important questions to ask yourself if you're into this type of stuff. Because there's a lot of people, they don't even know about this stuff. It's like foreign language. And they don't even know that they could literally tap into this information and completely change their life. When you start to master your energy using neuroplasticity, you start to create a completely different reality. You start to build more happiness. You start to build more positivity. You start to build more success. You start to build more authenticity. You start to become the type of person that you probably didn't know you could become. And then you start to create that reality for yourself. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, dude. That's why I do these videos. Okay? That's why I do all this information. Because every time I repeat this pattern, I strengthen the neural pathway. I create more neuroplasticity of this information. And that information transforms who I am, dude. Yeah, buddy. Not only that, it has the power to transform who you are. That's why I do these free energy psychology classes. Because it's transformative psychology. It's transformative energy. It can help you to understand reality see, I want you to imagine reality like this. This is going to blow your mind, okay? Imagine, here's a reality, right? When you pierce your focus on this part right here, you're going to absorb and learn so much information, but then you're going to shift over here, and then you're going to pierce your focus right here, and you're going to absorb a bunch of information, and you're going to pierce it over here, and over here, and over here, and over here, and all over the place. You're going to understand at such a great magnitude of awareness that you're going to freaking just like, you can create anything. That should literally blow your mind. Only if you care about changing your reality. Only if you care about building more confidence. Only if you care about becoming the type of person you want to become. Because I'm telling you right now, most people, they could care less about this type of information. And because they care less about it, guess what? They have less care about who they are. Yeah, buddy. They have less care. They care less about what they think. And if you don't pay attention to how you think and what you speak and how you believe and what you do from day to day, guess what, dude? You're going to get a reality that you can't stand. And that's how a lot of people live life. They live life, they can't stand their reality. They can't stand it. They hate it. They create pain. They hate it. They this, they that, all kinds of problems, self-sabotage, left and right. And then they wonder why they get the reality that they have. Next thing you know, they're 40, 50, 60 years old, and they're like, they can't stand life. Tired of it. Done. They just don't like it. Yeah, buddy. You got to always find a reason to keep your faith and your hope alive. You always got to find a reason to keep that fire burning inside of you. You got to find a reason to create, to harness energy. That's what this is. When you watch this video, you're harnessing the energy of somebody else who's been there, done that, established it, shared it, and then you can learn from that. You can grow from that, right? That's called applied knowledge, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. And so that's why I do videos every day. That's why I talk about confidence building. That's why we talk about universal laws of attraction, right? That's why we talk about science. Mr. Wizard, dude. Because when you understand all of this and you connect all this information together, you create a machinery. Okay? You create an invisible machinery of psychology that you can work with, that you can create the type of reality that you want to create, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. So what do you want to do? What do you want to create? It's important to ask yourself this information because you're going to create that reality for yourself. And so this is what I've learned to do. I've learned to harness the energy of my psychology using neuroplasticity. I've mastered the process. See, I've mastered the process. I've mastered the setup. I've mastered the demonstration. It's repetition over and over and over again. And through that repetition, you create a magnetic power, a magnetic energy that you work with. And it's freaking amazing, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today, my friends. I just wanted to rock this video today, share some insights, share some value, share some energy, right? Some positive worldwide, dude. Yeah, buddy, dude. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the channel, consider subscribing, dude. If you guys like this kind of information, boom, baby, thumbs up. Hit the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, baby. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Boom. Yeah, buddy. Always remember this. Always remember that you are working with energy. When you think upon a thought, you're thinking upon a Nero pathway of energy. That energy is going to lead you to act on that information. And the more you focus on that information, the more you absorb that energy, the more you create that reality, dude. Boom.